Hello friends, welcome back to Surya Chess. Today we are going to see one of the game which I played against the title player. The title player is from Hungary. Name is Prusina. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing it correctly. She is a 24-year-old woman FIDE master from Hungary, and she is having 2100 rating on Blitz, and I got a chance to play with her, and that's why I'm analyzing the game, what has happened in the game and all. So let's quickly go with the analysis of game. So she was with the white pieces, and the game began with the e4, e5, d4. It's the Paulson attack, and accepted it, and queen captures, knight on to c6, hitting the queen. So where queen has to go back either over here or onto the e3. So she went back on e3, where you can push further, and if anything is there will be some some attacks over here. And here the idea of b6 is I wanted to hit the queen, but as per the engine it's not the good move. The good move is knight onto the f6, but I was in a fear of pawn push. If pawn get pushed further, then it is a good move only. But I did play that, and there was another move is knight onto f6. That is also possible, or bishop develops on to the e7, or maybe bishop can give the check, followed by pawn push further, bishop comes back, and it's not really possible to push the pawn further, and you cannot capture my piece. Actually, I'll be just castle over here, and if you go for it, that will be the blunder, because it's simply pinning your queen. And if you thought you will be capturing, but check is coming, and then I'll be ultimately having the queen for rook and a piece. So let's not happen in the game. Let's see what has happened in the game. So bishop develops on to c4, bishop develops on c5, and queen on to b3, hitting the pawn. And I was just worried, so I just played the queen on f6. But that is not good move, or it's only the normal move. We can say knight onto c3, knight onto e7. Now my idea is to go for castle, but here also knight develops, and I don't know what has happened to me, and I just come back and hitting the queen again. And she played a very good move. It's pawn push on f4, which is now there is a threat of fork, and I really miss it, and I just played the bishop on b7. That is the blunder, because now it is a fork coming, and I'm losing a piece. So here itself, I thought to just resign, because I already lost one piece. And playing, I was just got some moral down, because you're playing against the title player, and anything can happen. So I was just worried. So, and she just given me chance with the queen trade, because after one piece down queen trade anyway, if it's there is queen trades are there, and your piece up, that is good for you, because you are going to exchange all pieces, and at the end you'll be winning in the end game. But that is not happen. That's happened over here, and I just went for a castle, which was not good move. As per the engine, I should have gone for the long castle, but I said let it be now. And further later on, I was just trying to attack towards the king. Now the idea is to hit the pawn, and if she has played something like this, then that will be pawn coming over here and all later on. That will be not a good one. So, and here I just pushed the pawn further to just hit the bishop, and asked to go back to any other square. So she just went back on to e4 to stay on this diagonal, to not allowing me to push the pawn further. So then I just played rook on to e8. The idea is I wanted to lift the rook. So the bishop comes, and I need to trade the bishops. So I traded, and that was the miss. Actually, as per the engine, I should have gone for pawn push, and then if you capture, I will capture. Then you need to go back actually, or maybe simply you can capture over here, and you need to go back anywhere, like over here or here. So onto d4 or onto the g3. So that has not happened. Let's see what has happened in the game. So I have just traded the bishops over here, and I have pushed the pawn further, and actually I missed. This is okay. It's a good move, but now she has given me some chance of coming or hitting the pawn, and I have just made another blunder of pawn push further, and she missed it completely, and she has captured the pawn with the bishop, and I just captured back. Actually, I should have gone with the rook to support the pawn as well, but anyway, that is not the thing. So here I got to equalize the game, and then she has given me check, and I just come back on to h8, and if you see now, the bar is just giving me the 1+ sign over here, and I was just here also I went on to h4. Other than that, the e4 is the good move. Then capture, and these are the some moves possible because I'm opening the diagonal for bishop and winning the pawn. This will be some trade happens over here, and I could have won the pawn, and later on this will be like end game, and she's the having a lot of experience than me, so I could have lost in the end game. But just the fact that that's not happened in the game, and I was just rerouting my now knight, and I have just opened up the diagonal. Now I'm ready to capture and hitting the rook as well. And this was the blunder happen where knight over there, and here actually I have just missed it to capture back the piece, and I don't know why, because maybe the time limit, if you see the times are also 9 seconds left for me, so I was just here worried, and I just captured pawn and again hit the rook, and I completely missed. I can also capture here, but I said I want to exchange up and play for struggle win or something. So I played captured back, and then there is some reroute happen checks, and I was just capturing the pawns and all. Later on, she was just shuffling the pieces, and here the game has finished. She just lost on time, and later on I was just surfing what actually happened here, how she lost, and also then I come to know that she was playing the Simon, where continuously she was playing against all the players, and that's the reason she lost over here. So let me just walk through you for what has happened.
What happened? I just can't read it. Yeah, guys.
Yes.
I blundered something. Oh, yeah.
So here you see.
Ooh. I lost so many boards. That's not good. Anyways, thank you guys for the. Oh, thank you, Daniel. Thank you for the gifted sub.
And if you see, so this has happened over here, and she lost against the Simon. But the good thing is that you get a chance to play with such a tighter player, and you learn something. Even though she's playing in Simon, she has captured or able to plus one piece up over there, and at the end there were so many blunders from my end as well. So it's a good learning for me, and I hope you guys also learn something from my video. So do like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Bye bye.